back to Wilson Brothers Ranch. My name is Chase Wilson. On today's video, it's pretty simple. It's really cold outside today. We're staying warm. So being indoors today, we're gonna do some indoor activities. We're gonna adjust Steven's desk. He's a pretty big guy. My brother Steven, he's uses his desk for lots of different things. He plays video games. Yeah, he actually uses it for computer. So to make this more comfortable, you know, for those of you who don't know, as a big guy, your legs are trapped underneath the desk and you don't have a whole lot of room. So originally we built these boxes basically out of, well, plywood and tongue and groove. Everything you see around here on the wall. We had that left over and it lifted his desk up, I want to say about 3.5 to 4 inches. It just wasn't really enough. So we went to Walmart. We bought these bed post lifters. They're actually 8 inches, or close to 8 inches. We'll find out later in the video. So yeah, let's do this. So it's time to lift up the desk. We're gonna use our 72-inch long piece of 2x4. Here you go. So we use our 2x4, we're gonna slide it underneath the desk. All right, how are you? Pretty much centered. Get it centered with the desk. And I think that's gonna be right about the weight. Steven, can you pump up on that while I test the weight? Yes. Go ahead and pump. All right, yeah, it feels pretty solid. All right, let down. Good. All right. Let's see. Bring this back a hair. Think about right there. It should be about straight, all right? So we got our bed risers here. We'll be putting these underneath the legs of the desk. We just got these at Walmart. I think this will probably be tall enough, but let's test it out. These are right about 8 inches long, so this will be quite a bit step up. All right, let's get this desk lifted up and get the boxes out. All right, we are ready to lift this thing up, man. Let me get down here so I can, all right, that's good enough. Keep coming up. Our weight's good, that's what I meant, sorry. Keep coming up. Come up all the way. Come up. All right, that's gonna be it. All right, we got the desk. We got the desk. Okay, take this block out of the way. All right, start letting down slow. So our original boxes were pretty simplistic, tongue and groove on the side and just plywood on the top. It was pretty sturdy, but it just didn't have enough elevation for Steven's desk. So we're gonna go ahead and test this out. Steven, go ahead and get your chair.
Oh, that is so good. All the way up. I can go underneath.
Yeah.
It definitely fits better.
For a big guy, this is a first. It's nice to actually fit underneath the desk for once, not being smushed up against everything.
Yeah.
He can actually open up drawers and he has room. So how's your leg room under there? Knees have plenty of room.
And my chair can go all the way underneath too.
Lots of leg room under there. Yep, so we can actually tighten these legs Once we get these set perfectly, we tighten these so they don't have any resistance. And that was the very last one. This thing is solid. I'm jiggling it pretty good. This is actually not a bad buy, if I do say so myself. These were pretty smart. They're actually pretty cheap from Walmart as well. So you never see that every day, so. Well, that's it for today, guys. If you liked today's video, leave a like, comment down below, even subscribe. Don't forget to hit that notification bell. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see y'all in the next video.